have to step out there to get a fire over top of the fence.
Yeah. Fire down the snake fence. Fire down the snake fence. Aim for the fire. Get tight to the fence. Get tight to the
flag
fence.
bearer, fire down the snake fence.
Hey, brother, I noticed y'all are doing pretty hard.
Dictator. Dictator was making it pretty hard for us.
I'll take a look. Who is that dictator? I don't see any dictator on the roster.
Yeah, it's because he was an officer.
Oh, he's a level 3. He's in second
Level
South
3?
Company A.
No way he's level 3. He's literally officer for like the last 3 rounds.
Well, the only dictator I see on the roster is a Confederate in South Carolina Company A.
It's literally Dick, period, Tater.
Oh, I don't see that on the roster.
Yeah, he got downvoted out or something.
You must have quit. Right. Keep up the fire. I want bayonets. Mini ball. Pick the infield if you have it.
Their flag is
Steady
still
with
down
your
there.
shot. Take a good 3 to 5 seconds to aim your shot before you fire. Feel free to crouch down to steady your shots. Steady with your shot. Take 3 to 5 seconds. Wait for the wave to stop before you fire your shot.
Now would be a
Get
good time to
tight
rush
on
their
the
arty.
snake fence. Get tight on the snake fence to get your reload. We got all the men together.
Exactly, now would be a good time to rush their arty. They're over here, their arty's over there, and
Yeah,
fucking our point
We-
of difference is over there as well.
we can do it. We can do it. Is Patriot in front of us? Is South Carolina A in front of us? You're goddamn right it is. That's the only flag on the Confederate side. Alright, men, move up with me. Move up. Let's go. Move up. Move it up. Move it up. Move it up. Bayonets down. I want melee mode. Melee mode. V for violence, gentlemen. V for bayonet. V for violence. Let's move.
Hey, why are we moving up this way? Why didn't we cut left and go to
Because we're gonna kill. We're gonna kill. That's what we're doing. Alright.
the big nipple, you know?
On the left, hold here on the left. Independent fire to the left. That's Confederate to the south. Confederate to the south. 5 tickets out in the open. Aim for that Confederate to the south. Independent fire. Officers hold down. Shot from danger close. Shoot that man to the south. He's coming straight at us. He wants to die. Good shoot, whoever that was. Armicle or whoever you are, and good shooting. Get your reloads. Get your reloads. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Get your bayonet if you don't have it. Move up with me. Move up with me when you're reloaded. Alright, now we move up into the artery. No, we should still move into the woods first. Up and over. Up and over. Officers, get your pistols out. We're fine. We didn't lose a man, but 1 or 2. Let's go. Let's go. This tree to the south. Charge in front of me. Charge in front of me. Bayonets down. Bayonets down. Charge this tree. Kill that fucking Confederate. It feels so weird to say that.
Yankees! Huzzah! Huzzah!
Good
Huzzah!
shooting. Good shooting. Hard right into the woods. Hard right into the woods. Southwest. Move southwest.
Huzzah!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hard into the woods. Keep it moving southwest. Keep it moving southwest. We don't want that artillery to get another shot on us. They're never gonna get us again. Eyes peeled, bayonets down. Yankees direct ahead to the south. Oh, sorry, Confederates to the south. No, to the south. There we go. Keep it moving. belly cross. Stay with me. Stay tight on me. Stay tight. Stay tight. Tight on the flag. Tight on the flag. Stay tight on the flag. Hold up here. Get gathered. Get gathered. Wait for the men. Oh! Behind us. About face. Let's get him.
I killed all 3 of
Two
those
more.
guys.
Good job. You know, you're why we're alive. You are the reason why I did not run back to the Yankee spawn.
You know,
Get your bayonets on first.
if it
Cancel
weren't
your
for your-
reload. Get your
if it weren't
fucking
for your
bayonet.
level, I would have told you to shut the fuck up a long time ago. Since you're such a high level of letting you take the AG.
You know what's funny is when I first started playing, there weren't levels, and nobody gave a fuck about any of that shit.
Oh, no
People
way.
just gave about what mattered. Fire southeast by east.
Got like
Let it loose. Good shooting, good shooting. They're circling to our left.
hey, charge us if you
Can-
can hear us.
Confederate in the open. Looks like they got 3 or 4 out of the 9. They got half the company. Independent fire right in front of us, boys. Move to cover. Crouch down to get your reloads. Fix bayonets. Fix bayonets. Crouch down. Fix bayonets. Independent fire. Independent fire. To the southeast. Independent fire. Fuck. Move to hard cover. Take reload. Alright. Bayonets down, bayonets down, bayonets down. Prepare for charge. Bayonets down, prepare for charge. Hold your fire, hold your fire. Crouch down, get your bayonets. Trump, get your goddamn bayonet on.
Still winning.
Yeah. Press B for bayonet, B for bayonet. Now rise and press V for violence. V for violence, V for violence. Company prepare to charge, prepare to charge. 10 seconds, we're gonna charge. Let the infantry charge in first, bayonets down, boys. 5 seconds, here we go, boys. Prepare to charge. Come on in, come on in. Charge, company, charge, 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 charge. Kill them all. Let the infantry move in first. Let the infantry take the shots. Officer.
scout.
Hold on the line, independent fire. Hold on the line, independent fire.
Stay down. Stay down.
If you're loaded, move up to the line, take your shot. If you're loaded, move up to the line, take your shot. Fall back to
Independent
reload.
fire.
Fall
Fall
back
back.
to reload. My last shot was a misfire. Fall back to take the reload. Fall back to take the reload.
Oh, they're on last stand. Just
Yeah.
noticed that.
Just noticed that shit. My apologies. We're all on the same team. Alright, hold on the line, hold on the line. Hold on the line, hold for a final push. Hold on the final
Back
push.
to line.
Fall back to the line. I want bayonets, bayonets. Every man get a bayonet. Trotting Fox, get off the fucking line. Move back, get your bayonet.
I see the flag. It's coming right there.
Line.
Get ready, boys.
Final
Get ready.
push.
Shoot that flag bearer.
Line.
On the
Hold
left,
your position.
shoot to the left, shoot that infantryman to the left.
Waste your load so they can charge.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, hold your fire, prepare for a charge. Hold your fire, prepare for a charge. Only
gotta get
independent
the
fire if you see a rifleman. Hold here. Ellie, we need your rounds. Stay here, stay frosty. We're down on a number. Move forward, charge forward, charge forward. Bayonets down, charge. Bayonets down, charge. Let's go, boys. To the right, follow that line through the hole in the fence. Left up the road. Independent fire as you please.
Use the fence. Use the fence, boys.
You want this flag?
Don't worry about flags.
I think they wanted the flag. Oh, okay. I have to move this shit.
I'm getting a few of them.
Alright, keep using the fence. Get in the nipple.
Charge them out. Charge them out.
Third man, charge. Ready?
Charge. Officers down. Charge them out.
They run away.
Charge them. Break your goddamn reload in melee mode. What are you doing? Break your reload, Magistro. What are you doing? Bayonet down and White House. To the White House. Take the White House. Get inside the White House. Get inside the White House, boys.
The Dunkers were but one subset of the many Protestant offshoots which resulted from the Reformation, named after their full dunking of a person during a baptism. Many of the adherents had fled to the United States in the decade following their founding in 1708, and in 1851 the Muma family had donated a portion of their land for the church to be built upon. Its whitewashed walls would serve as an easy landmark for commanders to guide to as the tide of blue finally marched past it and into the woods beyond. A gargantuan amount of casualties would be gathered here as the church was used as an aid station, and a truce would be called on the 18th to gather the wounded and bury the many dead. Greene's division managed to make it halfway through the West Woods before their momentum dried up. Instead, they set up a defensive salient against any possible counterattack. But the next main action to arrive would be farther south, at the lower bridge over the Antietam Creek. General Burnside, in command of the 9th Corps, had taken the majority of the day to set up his attack, and at 10 o'clock finally received the orders from General McClellan to advance. Guarding the bridge were 2 batteries and the Georgians under General Robert Toombs. They were all that stood between Sharpsburg and the entire Union 9th Corps, which would send wave after wave of regiments to attack the bottleneck at the bridge.